So my current role with the Baltimore City Law Department is in the land use practice group, specifically condemnation, or it's otherwise known as eminent domain. Yeah, the experiences that helped shape me in my career definitely included taking land use with Professor McFarlane, being a Rule 16 student attorney in the community development clinic run by Professor Lee. Those were probably the two largest influences that kind of helped shape my desire to ultimately go into real property and kind of end up now with public service through the city of Baltimore. Lean on your network, clean up your LinkedIn, scrub your social media for anything that you don't want an employer to see, and I would say interview as much as possible. Talk to people at places that you think you might be interested in applying to, figure out who needs to get their resume, your resume looked at, and just basically be your own detective. Figure out who you need to talk to and where your information needs to go.